Hashtag God's motor. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the garage. We have Autocross Saturday and Sunday, which is tomorrow. We've got a little problem. So I was doing a nut and bolt check and I found that the pinion had a little bit of by a little bit I mean a lot of slop. The fluid looks like a 12-year-old kid's birthday party. It is just an absolute glitter fest. So I have the carrier and the axles out. Luckily the axle bearings and the carrier bearings both look good. They're just nice and polished from all the glitter going through there. But the ring gear is not looking as good. I don't know if you can really see it, but there is a burr on the edge right there, and it is really worn on both sides. Pinion, which I haven't pulled out yet, is about the same. It has a good wear pattern on it other than the fact that it's like super worn. So I have everything tore out of the rear end, and I don't believe it, but all of the bearings are totally fine. Now you can see the burr better on the pinion gear. So I'm just gonna take and polish that burr off of the pinion and the ring, and then slap it back together, set the backlash, and fingers crossed it doesn't blow up tomorrow. Pinion set. We got about 20 inch-pounds of drag, which should be about right. Differential's back in there. We got about 8 thou of backlash. Hopefully the gear's not too trashed. So we're gonna throw the axles back in, get it back under the truck, and go for a drive and hope she doesn't howl. Well, guys, it's dark now. The camera died and I just trudged forward on getting the truck back together. That gear is damaged pretty bad, but I just got back from a drive and I think it'll be okay for the next 2 days of Autocross. The scariest part is that I have a 50-mile drive there and a 50-mile drive back 2 days in a row. My theory as to what happened, though, I think that when we originally set the races for the pinion, there must have been something in there or a piece of crap or burr that didn't let the race sit all the way. And then when we set the pinion preload, it wasn't enough force to shove that out of there. But when we were beating on the truck at Autocross a couple weeks ago, it finally set those races all the way. And since the last Autocross, I've probably put a couple 100 miles on the truck. Rebuilding the entire rear end on the truck is not what I thought I was gonna be doing today, but when you're racing, you do what you gotta do. I'm gonna end this video off with a couple clips from the first Autocross event from a few weeks ago. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. You ready? Yes, sir. For those of you that made it to the end, I got new wheels and tires. We'll see more of those in the next one.